Holy Cross Cupcake Cake. You're watching Sweetwater Cakes. Let's get started and sweeten the world. I'm lining up my cupcakes on the platter so that they look like a cross, and I love how the very ends are tapered with just one cupcake each. Confession here, I didn't do this, but usually I put plastic wrap between the holes in my cupcakes so that the frosting doesn't fall through. Using tip 2D, I am making nice little swirls all over every single cupcake. And this is nice because it makes sure that every cupcake gets an equal amount of frosting, something that is very important. Now, even though this is a Holy Cross cake, I don't want those holes in between my cupcakes, so I'm making little tiny swirls in between each of the cupcakes. My cake is very elegant, just like this, but I want a few more details. Between my cupcakes, I am using tip 2D to make little tiny swirly flowers. Flowers need leaves, so I'm adding a little tiny green buttercream leaf to each flower. My final detail is adding a little tiny pearl to each flower. So cute! My cross cake is done here, so beautiful, ready for a holy celebration. Thanks for joining me here on Sweetwater Cakes. Go have a beautiful day, sweeten the world, and do me a favor and click on that subscribe button. Bye-bye.